channel. Welcome back, roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne. Today I'm going to go ahead and unbox some products that I ordered from Annabelle's Perfect Blend. So if you want to go ahead and see what's in there, make sure take this moment right now to subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Hit the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment. Okay, let me go ahead and get this open. All right. And I think this is my receipt here. Yes, it is. So I ordered a total of 6 different products. Okay, if you're brand new to my channel, because I know I do have some new people who have joined, you're now my roses. Thank you so much. I am glad you decided to join my little rose garden here, and I hope you enjoy everything you see here. Okay, so welcome. Those that are new, and if you haven't heard of Annabelle's Perfect Blend, Annabelle's Perfect Blend is a female black owned business. The owner's name is Erica, and I've been ordering from her, oh my gosh, it has to be like 5 years now. It seems like a long time. I mean, I have done Black Friday shopping, I've done shopped many of her sales, and I have many different products from her. As a matter of fact, I think I still have an Annabelle's Perfect Blend playlist of everything I have tried from Annabelle's Perfect Blend on camera still on my channel, so check that out if you want to get caught up. So anyway, okay y'all, first item here. I like this bottle. It's a plastic bottle. This is the Annabelle's hair and body oil, and it's in the scent birthday cake. And as you can see, she makes sure none of your product is going to spill out of your box. And I have, in all the years I have been ordering from Annabelle's Perfect Blend, I have not had anything spill yet. Yeah, not at all. So anyway, this particular product does have sunflower oil, candelilla wax, jojoba oil, and fragrance. And let me open it up. Oh, this is the Annabelle's Perfect Blend hair and body oil Gellee. I forgot to say that part. Oh, it smells good. It smells just like a birthday cake. Now I'm going, let me see if you guys can see it. I don't want to spill it, but it's a gel, so. Oh, okay, there goes some of the oils. Okay, let's see how it comes out. That's what I want to see. Rub my hands. It smells just like birthday cake. Okay. Look how it comes out. Ooh. Let's put it on this side. See that? Rubs in good. I got this for a reason, y'all. It's spring, summer is going to be here. We're not trying to be ashy, and this oil Gellee is a wonderful smell. Smells just like birthday cake. It will be wonderful to layer on with the, you know, lotions, body mist, perfumes, whatever scent. If you want to do some layering, you can. If you don't want to, you don't got to. Just that little bit. Oh, so again, that was Annabelle's hair and body oil Gellee. Yeah. Next item here. This is my second item out of her hygiene, her feminine products. Now the last time, I forgot what it's called, but it was in the same packaging just like this. But this one's called Kewchie Wash. Now, if that's not clear as day what this is for, it's clearly for washing, you know, your private feminine area, aka the Kewchie. So I'm gonna open this up, and I think I got it in this bottle because I think this comes out as a foam. I know the other one did, I liked it, and because of that, I think it lasted a whole lot longer than it could have lasted because it's a foam. Okay, so again, everything is wrapped, so ain't nothing coming out. So I got all the tape off, and I need to get this into the open position. It's open, and let's see what we can do. Ooh. It is that good old foam. I love it. I can smell the rose in it. It smells a little bit citrusy like the other one did. It smells good. There it goes. Wonderful consistency. So I had to get another one. Still with me? Okay. Next item here. Can't wait to smell this one. Now, I've already gotten one of her hair and body oils before in a different scent. I think that one is Violet and Marshmallow. Oh, it smells so good. I've been savoring it and not trying to use it up, even though I want to. So I'm about right here in that one. This one, the scent on this is Red Velvet Cake. You know, anytime you want to smell chocolatey, or I don't know. Let me see what it smells like. Of course, you know I got to take the tape off. Clearly, I love her body oils because I'm coming back to get some more. You know, she has quite a number of different scents to choose from with her products. Smells good enough to eat. Okay, I'm not going to pour it completely out. I'm just gonna stick my finger into it so you can see the consistency. It's an oil. The other one was an oil Gellee. This is an oil. Hair and body oil, yes, you can use in your hair and your body. That's a nice 2-for-1. I'll get my oils ready. Got my oils. Okay. I forgot. Now remember I was talking about that other scent? Violet Marshmallow. Y'all, this is way too cute. This is like a travel size. I think this is the perfume spray, Annabelle's perfume oil, Violet Marshmallow. Now, if you didn't know, if you got a perfume oil, you want to take your fragrances to another level, you can use that by itself, or you can layer it with other scents. It smells so good. And because I love the scent so much, I wanted to get a perfume oil. Let's spray it. Look at that. Y'all, it smells so good. Now, as you can see, I have some items here. The first 4 products will have you smelling good, okay? The feminine wash, of course, make sure it's smelling decent and clean in that area. The other items here have scent to it, but also keep you moisturized and glowing. So clearly I was trying to get body care. So next item here, this is the foaming body wash. And I tried her foaming shampoo. It was something else, but I was like, you know what? Let me get a foaming body wash. And this one is in the scent Vanilla Bean. So Vanilla Bean, you know, go with everything. Let's get this off. Fill to the top per usual. I smell that vanilla. Look at that. Ooh, this is nice and thick. Oh, this feels really moisturizing. So I'm sure when I try this, it will start foaming, lather up. There's plenty in here. I can't wait to try this. All right, and let me get my top. That was on my perfume oil. Don't want to lose that. Okay, last item here is the Spinach Deep Conditioner. I don't know if you're anything like me. I love spinach, y'all. I eat spinach almost every day. It's just one of those leafy greens that doesn't really have a taste, but goes with everything. Wonderful for your body inside and out. I've never tried this deep conditioner, and I sure needed another one because I think I only have one deep conditioner left. And it was time to get another one. So spinach conditioner, let me know if you've ever heard of spinach conditioner. Have you ever tried this? Ooh, it's filled all the way to the top. I don't know if I'm smelling vanilla or if the vanilla's coming off of me. Hard to smell. It's not like it's green or anything. It's just, you know, like a off-white color. And I can't wait to use that. I'm probably gonna use that. I need to wash my hair and do some things with it. Probably gonna use that. So anyway, six different products. Let me know if you've used any of them. I'll go ahead and list them in the description box. And of course, a link to Annabelle's Perfect Blend. I know she is having a sale right now, and I believe if it's still going on by the time I upload this, and hopefully you have your notifications on so you can see it in time to catch her sale. Yeah, so make sure you just go ahead and subscribe to her mailing list so you can be notified about her sales. Every time there's a drop, I get a text message, I get an email, and I get multiple of them along the way so I don't forget. So don't miss out. Anyway, other than that, roses, I'm gonna go ahead and get on out of here. If you enjoyed everything you saw, or you're just interested in my channel, or you've come back again but you haven't quite subscribed yet, go ahead and make sure you do that. So go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment. Other than that, roses, I will talk to you later.